Hey guys, welcome back to the Feeding Your Fam kitchen. I'm excited to have you guys here today because in this video, I'm gonna show you a really simple and delicious recipe for broccoli. No, don't go. It's okay. Broccoli is good. If you prepare it the right way, it is delicious. My family loves this recipe. The kids will eat this right out of the bowl. Sometimes I'll make this before like our meal and just kind of set it on the table. My kids will have the whole thing gone before dinner is ready. So stick around, you're gonna love this recipe. We're gonna start by preparing our broccoli. We're just gonna chop up these crowns into smaller pieces. Take your crown, and then we're gonna start by slicing the stem off of the bottom. Now you can hang on to these, don't throw it away. You can chop it into smaller pieces. These are awesome in stir fries, in soups, broccoli cheddar soup. So hang on to these. You can even put them in the freezer. Now that we've got the stem off, we're gonna go ahead and chop these into smaller, kind of bite-sized pieces because you wanna be able to put this in your mouth when you're eating. Okay, we've got all this beautiful broccoli all chopped up into smaller bite-sized pieces. It'll be easier to eat and quicker to cook. Let's get these on the stove. Okay, let's get our pan heating up. I'm just gonna put it over medium-high heat. Okay, we're just gonna add olive oil and let's get our broccoli in there. And just continue cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes until your broccoli softens up. I'm gonna go ahead and add a tablespoon of butter. Just go ahead and get that stirring around and get it melted in there. I add this at the end because it just really adds so much flavor. I don't want my butter browned. I just want it to just coat that broccoli and it adds so much flavor. And then I'm going to add a clove of garlic. You can always add more if you want to, if you're a big garlic fan. Just stir that around just for a few seconds until that garlic gets really fragrant. Then we're gonna go ahead and season with some salt and a pinch of pepper. And that's it. That is how we make garlic butter broccoli. Thanks so much for watching this recipe for garlic butter broccoli. I hope this makes it on your Feeding Your Fam menu this week, and I hope your family enjoys it. Let me know down in the comments how it turns out for you. And if you haven't already, please subscribe for more easy recipes that you can make for yourself or for your family. See you next time.